Welcome to this video on an S&P 500 Renko trading strategy. Hello, this is Mark from tradingform.com and welcome to this video about Renko. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get Renko in Excel, how you can download a free spreadsheet so you can do your own analysis, and also a Renko trading strategy that you can apply to the S&P 500 or the SPY ETF. On the screen at the moment, I have a typical Renko chart, and you can see this is exactly what we want from Renko. We have nice, smooth, clean trends. And Renko at its best is identifying the trend, it is simplifying our charts, and it is making it easy for us as traders to know what to do. We lose a lot of the distractions you get with indicators, with chart patterns, all that. What we are seeing is pure trends. On the screen at the moment, I have a typical Renko chart, and you can see this is exactly what we want from Renko. We have nice, smooth, clean trends. And Renko at its best is identifying the trend, it is simplifying our charts, and it is making it easy for us as traders to know what to do. We lose a lot of the distractions you get with indicators, with chart patterns, all that. What we are seeing is pure trends. At the start of this video, I told you I was going to be showing you a Renko spreadsheet. Now, it's a very simple automated spreadsheet. All you need to do is copy and paste your historical data over here on the left, and these formulas will automatically calculate your Renko bars. And if I click over here, you can see the results. This is the underlying market. We've got the Euro US dollar forex pair here shown, and we've got how this is simplified using Renko. And again, we can start to see some of the trends, the Renko trends being identified. If you want to change the bar size, you can do it here. And you're going to see different trends identified. On the screen at the moment, I have the trading strategy that I mentioned at the start of the video. Now, this is the results tab of a trade-informed backtest model. And I've used this model, which is built in Excel, to backtest, analyze, and optimize this strategy. And it is a system that anybody can use. And if you'd like more information about these models, there is a link on the screen and below this video. So the trading strategy here I have set up is the basic version, and I'm going to go through some of the options that you can use to optimize it. So firstly, what I'm using here is a bar size of 2. Now this, in this version, is 2 times the ATR. So each Renko bar is 2 ATRs high. Now I like using the ATR rather than a fixed bar size because markets change over time, and if we use the ATR, we're going to have a bar size that will be based not just on the market size but the recent volatility. So we've got a Renko bar size of 2, and the only close I'm using is one of my favorites. It's just a simple strength close. So we have 2 days, consecutive days of over 1% gain. Then we're going to close the position. So over 19 years, we're trading it from 2000 to 2019. We have a high percentage of winning trade, 74%, and we have a good compound annual growth rate of 12%. But we also have relatively high drawdown. Now I like strategies that have low drawdown, and I'm willing to sacrifice some of my annual growth rate to get lower drawdown. Now we have a couple of points here, 2008, and in particular a bit later on here, which was 2016 when we had that volatility. So there's a couple of things that I'm going to introduce that will smooth out this curve. Now the first of these I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a stop loss. I'm going to put in a tight stop loss. I've done this on a number of my trading strategies recently, and I am quite enjoying the results. Now I'm going to also introduce a profit target and a trailing stop as well. Again, a tight trailing stop of 1%. Now all these values in this model, I am using the percentage. We can toggle between the ATR and the percentage, but here I am using the percentage. And you can see immediately we have made a huge difference. We have sacrificed some of our winning trades, but we've gained significantly, not only in annual growth rates, but also in terms of drawdown, which is much, much lower at 10%. Very good MAR ratio as well, which is annual growth rate divided by max drawdown. Now there's a couple of other things that I want to show you here. Now these are optional settings. We could try different profit targets. Worth experimenting to get the trading strategy that you want, something that will fit in with your trading philosophy and your psychology as well, which is hugely important. If you want to trade a strategy over the long term, you have to trade something that fits in with the way you think and the way you think about the markets. Okay, so I've got a RSI filter here and I quite liked it. Sacrificing a lot of potential profit, but what we get again is a smoother curve up here. Our MAR ratio stays high and we get a slightly higher number of winning trades. So this is my Renko trading strategy that you can use to trade the S&P 500 or the SPY ETF. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more content like this, please hit the like button, please subscribe to this channel, and if you would like more information about backtesting your trading strategies, analysing the financial markets and becoming a better trader, please go to www.tradeinformed.com.